In this webs in this lecture, I will be showing you how to convert your website into an app. So we have got all the requirements that are necessary for the app making. They are website link, app icon, and the app name. So let's get started. We will be using Kodular. This is a free platform where we can create our apps for Android. Let me show you how the platform works. This is Kodular, Kodular. We can create apps without coding. So keep in mind we will not be using Android Studio or any other coding to create our app. Let's get started. Let's create our app. So this is the dashboard. Once you create your account in kodular.com, kodular.io, you will be able to see your dashboard where you can see all the apps that you have created. So let's get started with our project. So next step is to create a new project. Let's keep the name Apna Dhaba, which is our restaurant name, right? Let's click next, and yeah, now we will be in the Kodular editor where we will be editing our app and making a finished. So it may take some time, and yeah, so this is our Kodular creator. In this creator we will be starting the app making, right? So our app is a web view app. It means that our website will be reflected in the app. So let's add components that are needed for the app. Let's add web view, which is at the bottom. You can see this is the web view component. Let's add this first. Now we know that this is the website link that we will be copying and pasting in the home URL. Okay, so this is done. Let's remove zoom display, zoom enabled, add new, and we can add location and SSL ignoring, and let's enable the JavaScript because sometimes JavaScripts are needed in the app. This tutorial is for anyone who has his own website and he wants to convert it into an Android app. Okay, so we have added our web view component. Let's change the app name into Apna Dhaba. Okay, so let's try to find any icon that we have. So let's use this AE for our icon. Okay, so this is the JPG file that we have added. So let's click on OK. Now we have added our icon file. Okay, so now let's try to add a splash screen. Splash screen is a screen which appears before the app is fully loaded. Let's try to find if we have something called a splash screen. Okay, so let's use this for the splash screen. You can use anything that you have, but for now I'm using this. It will take some time, and once it's uploaded you can click on OK and the splash screen will be changed. Okay, so we don't need the title visible, so let's make it invisible, and the app is fully. Let's keep the status bar like red color, just because our website looks red color, and let's keep the theme red. Okay, so you can actually change the navigation bar also. Let me show you how. If you want to change your navigation bar with your creativity, you can do it. Okay, let's go back and use the accent color also to the red. This is done. Our web app has been created. So our next step will be adding a back button. For example, when people use the web view, if they want to go back, they are unable to go back. So let's add the feature for going back. Okay. So if you go to controls and if you try to find, let's go to screen one, try to find the feature that we wanted. So if a back button is pressed, we have to navigate our web browser back. Now in this web browser, it should go back, right? So we will call this. Now once anyone clicks on back, he will be able to go back. Okay, this was the small first code. Second, if you want to enable Wi-Fi, so then we will need to add the components for connectivity. For this, connectivity is used to find if the network is available or not. So let's add network. Also now we will be adding something called as snack bar. Snack bar is used to show notifications. Let's keep it purple, or let's make it pink. Okay, that's done. So let's try to, if the network is connected, let me try to bring the snack bar and say we are connected, right? You are connected. Also we can say if you are disconnected, we can say something like please connect to internet or something like that. No internet. Okay, so this is done. Now let's try to enable this connections when the app is loaded. So if you want to do that, you have to go to screen 1 and find the initialize. This is when your app screen initializes. So when you are initialized, it should find if your network is connected or not. If you want to check, we will then use if. Now if the internet is connected, then say it's connected, right? And if it's not connected, if it's not connected, then else. Okay, else say you are having no internet, right? Let's duplicate this block and enable in the else, so we can find connection at the starting. Also we can switch in the middle, and this is the back button. So let's try to test the app. Okay, so to testing we will try to generate the app. So it will take some time, and once it's done, it will provide us the APK code or the URL like we want. Once it's done, you can see Apna Daba APK file. Let's save it. Our app has been saved. Let's try to open the app in Emulator. Emulator is a platform where we can test our app. So let's try to open app.iso.io. This is a website that we use for trying our app in our online emulator. Let's try to upload. Before uploading, let's try to sign in. Now we have signed in. Let's try to upload. It's saying select the file. We will now select the file, hit open. So it's done. The file has been successfully uploaded. Let's try to view the file. So this is an Android device. You can see it's Nexus 5 with Android 8.1. So let's try to open our app online. Our app is loading. Now it's launching. Yo, this is our app. You can see our website is now loaded, and now you will be able to see our website in the app. This is the app, and we can see the connection. Yeah, so you can see our website is loading, and let's try to add products in the cart. Awesome, you can see the products have been added in the cart. Let's try to see the cart if it's empty or full. Awesome, you can see the cart has products. And let me try to go back. Awesome, you can see we were able to go back. Now let's try to go offline. If you go offline, it should show message like you are not connected, right? Let's try to see. Yo, you can see there is no internet. So in this lecture, it was everything from website to app. So in the next lecture, I will be showing you how to convert your website into an iOS app.